Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So here I'm up with another recipe. This is a very quick, very simple, easy to prepare the okra vegetable ladyfinger. So for this, just wipe the okra clean and dry, wash it thoroughly and see that there's no water or moisture in it because or else it will get sticky and slimy. Heat a pan and spread some oil on it. Let it be on high flame. So let the oil get heated up, and all the measurements, the quantities, the ingredients, and also the products that I've used in the video I've mentioned down below in the description box for your reference. So add some garlic, finely chopped garlic, to add to its flavor. And let it season well in the oil. So after that, add the okra and give this a good mix. Be sure that this okra is wiped clean and dry and there is no water or moisture in it, or else this will get slimy and sticky. Also remember not to add the salt immediately, or else this becomes very sticky. So after it is braised well with the oil, and if required also add more quantity of oil. So once it is fried well for quite some time, then you're going to add the salt. And give it a nice good mix. Also, I'm going to add some pepper powder and some mixed herbs. So this will add good flavor to this vegetable. So all the products are mentioned in the description box for your reference. So do try out this recipe of mine and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes.